Welcome to my home studios, and today, as well as looking at a piano tutorial on beautiful riffs, I've got local students here that are about to enter into the Eisteddfod, so I thought we might talk about 4 practical tips for how to make the best performance when you're sharing some piano. Well, hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. Well, let's jump straight into our riff today, our beautiful riffs on our B and our F sharp. And we're just going to be really soft with the right hand sustain pedal on to create a beautiful atmosphere, rocking back and forwards with just 2 notes. Let's add a 3rd note down here now on our low B. Bring in the bass there. Then let's add a leading note to the B of the F sharp. So F sharp, B, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Then let's bring out with a really big falling movement up here with our right hand of our D over the top on our 2nd beat. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lead into that one over. Let's create a little melody here then at the top, stepping to our C sharp D again. Back to there. So that was adding our 6th note of the C sharp. Now let's start it all over again with our B to F sharp. And our bass lead-in note, now from our F sharp to our B, over the D. And hold all again. One more note at the top. All again from the bottom. So let's hold the E for 4 little ones, 2, down again. That'll give us time to get our hand over, but have that singing melody there. Well, let's jump now to 4 tips that will really help us with our performance of piano. So whether we're sharing casually with friends from home when someone says, oh, hey, what have you been working on? Or if you're hopping up into more of a public performance situation, the first really important tip is don't stop. No matter what, keep going. So I always tell everyone, you might bump a wrong note or you might land on the wrong chord. Don't let this show at all. Don't stop, because suddenly when there's any hesitation, then it kind of draws the listener's awareness to, oh, did something happen there? Part of our performing skills is to be acting as well, and to be acting like nothing at all has happened. So tip number 2 is to not pull any faces as well. Part of that acting persona is that everything is fine, it's going well, there's no need to show any of this on your face or in your body language either. If something does happen, whether you've forgotten where you are or if you've played that wrong note, follow our golden rule of keeping on going. But then also another tip is to make it as beautiful as you can. It's important mentally that we move on from where we've been and that wrong thing that's happened to then making the next moment so beautiful that we can capture the audience's attention again. So focus on making the next part singing and loud or gentle and soft, or think of the real misty atmosphere that you're trying to capture in that next section. And tip number 4 is more of preparation that we can do in practicing for a performance. So try and make sure that you record playing the whole thing through. By simply hitting that record button, we start a live scenario for a timeline for playing the best that we can, practicing our aim of keeping on going no matter what. So let's step it through again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All again. Louder, softer. Then, once we've got comfortable with that riff, let's extend it one more time with 8 and 9 notes by stepping our left hand leading note to the A. And if we step all our right hand down, that also creates an A pattern here from our B to our A. So we can use the lead-in note to the A though. And then instead of going to the D, let's go to the C sharp over the top there, and then that will step us to our B note in our melody there. Okay, so from our A's, let's lead up to our C sharp. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and over. Hold down and again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and back to our B there with our little lead-in note again. Two times. And to the A pattern now. A again. Back to the B. A. So thanks for joining me. Let's have a bit of a run through now and enjoy some of those beautiful sounds today. Happy music making. Well, be sure to create a daily time that you can keep growing your beautiful riffs and experimenting with those sounds. And check out some more videos over here that can give you inspiration to make some more beautiful music right now.